Hey everyone, in today's video we'll be covering the notes on the G string, specifically the first octave, the open string to the 12th fret. This is the fourth video of this series, so if you haven't yet watched the other videos and would like to, I'll be posting a link to the previous videos in the video description below. Alright, let's get started. First are the natural notes. Alright, let's start with G. It's going to be open. Then we have A on the 2nd fret. We have B on the 4th fret. We have C on the 5th fret. D on the 7th fret. We have E on the 9th fret. F on the 10th fret. And then finally G on the 12th fret. Moving back, on the 10th fret, we have F. Again on the 9th fret, E. Back to the 7th fret, we have D. C on the 5th fret. B on the 4th. A on the 2nd. And then G open. If you're still unsure of the notes, I recommend going back and practice saying the name of the notes and the fret while playing them, and don't hesitate to slow down the video speed if needed. If you're having issues remembering the notes, I have left a link to a free PDF below in the video description that you can print and use as a reference sheet. It's important to remember while doing these exercises that we are only playing on the G string. The purpose of these videos are to get comfortable playing in higher positions. Let's do some sight reading.
1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4.
If you're getting value from this video, please consider giving it a like, and if you'd like more similar videos, subscribe so you don't miss an episode.
One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
Okay, now let's look at chromatic pitches. I'll be using sharps on the way up and flats on the way down. Alright, let's get started. We're going to start with G open. We have G sharp on the first fret. We have A on the second fret. We have A sharp on the third fret. We have B on the fourth fret. We have C on the fifth fret. We have C sharp on the sixth fret. We have D on the seventh fret. We have D sharp on the eighth fret. We have E on the ninth fret. F on the 10th fret. F sharp on the 11th fret. And G on the 12th fret. Going back, we're going to use flats now. So we have G flat on the 11th fret. On the 10th fret, we have F. We have E on our 9th fret. E flat on the 8th fret. We have D on the 7th fret. We have D flat on the 6th fret. C on the 5th fret. B on the 4th fret. B flat on the 3rd fret. A on the 2nd fret. A flat on the 1st fret. And then finally G. Let's try some more exercises.
1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4.